Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Off Campus and click on the red color subscribe button. Then one bell icon will appear. Just press on the bell icon also, then only you will receive notification whenever we upload videos. So in this lecture we are going to see previously asked questions in TTA, BSNL TTA exam, okay, in digital electronics. So how many questions? It is 15 minutes only the limit. Questions 25 questions we'll see. What are all the first question? Latches or latches constructed with NOR and NOR gates. Sorry. So font size is very small. Kindly adjust. Okay. Latches constructed with NOR and NAND gates tend to remain in the latched condition due to which configuration feature? So low input voltage, cross coupling, asynchronous operation, gate impedance. So cross coupling is the right option. Question number 2. Edge triggered flip-flops must have negative edge detection circuit, at least two inputs to handle rising and falling edges, fast response times, very fast response times, positive edge detection circuits. Edge triggered flip-flops must have positive edge detection circuit. What is another name for one shot? Monostable, bistable, multi-vibrator, astable. One shot. In the name itself we have an answer, one shot. The option is monostable. Which of the following logical operations are presented by the plus sign in Boolean algebra? It is OR gate. Okay, plus sign indicates OR gate. Logically, the output of an OR gate would have the same Boolean expression as we need to identify the NOR gate. Actually, what is a NOR gate symbol? This is the NOR gate symbol. So, see, AND gate immediately followed by an inverter, NOR gate immediately followed by an inverter, NAND gate immediately followed by an inverter, OR gate immediately followed by an inverter. This is NOR gate. What is OR gate? This is OR gate. So, OR gate, this one, OR gate immediately followed by an inverter represents the NOR gate. So, OR gate immediately followed by an inverter. So, 6. When using an even parity, where is the parity bit placed? Before the MSB. Before the MSB, the parity bit is placed. Then, which one is disadvantages of SR flip-flop? It has only a single output, it has no enable input, it has an invalid state, it has no clock input. So, it has an invalid state from 0 to, so 1 1 it has 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 SR flip-flop. It has an invalid state for 1 1. So, it has an invalid state. Okay. This is Qn plus 1 0 1 for this. Qn 0 1, when it is 1 1 it is invalid state. So, SR flip-flop has invalid state. What is the name of a digital circuit that produces several repetitive digital waveforms? So, it produces several digital waveforms. Repetitive digital waveform is nothing but a Johnson shift counter. What is the hold condition of a flip-flop? Hold condition means which one represent the hold? No active SR input. So, no active SR input. So, it is hold. In SR flip-flop Qn, no active hold. This is a reset. This is set. Fourth one is invalid. So, SR flip-flop hold means it is no active. Okay. S or R input. So, no active. 0 0 for 0 0 it is in hold, which means no active. Which of the following is now generally associated with flip-flops? Which one? Setup time, interval time, hold time, propagation delay time. In that, interval time is not generally associated with flip-flop. The switching speed of CMOS is now 3 times that of TTL, slower than TTL, competitive with TTL, twice that of TTL. Now the switching speed of CMOS is now competitive with TTL. Digital electronics is based on the which numbering system? It is based on the binary numbering system. The output of a gated SR flip-flop changes only if the control input data has changed. The output of the gated SR flip-flop changes only if the control input data has changed. One hexadigit is sometimes referred to as a nibble. How? We can express hexadecimal value by representing the 4 binary numbers for 1, for something, for 12 or maybe 12. How can we represent 0010 and for this 0001. So for 12 hexadecimal in binary is 0001 0010. So this is the binary equivalent. So it is represent each value, each digit represented by 4 digits. So 4 digits now. So 4 digits is also known as 4 bits, sorry, not 4 bits. Each hexadecimal digit is represented by 4 bits. 4 bits is nothing but nibble. 4 bits. 8 bit is 1 byte, 4 bits is nibble. So one hexadecimal digit represented by 4 bits in binary, 4 binary bits. So 4 bits, otherwise known as nibble. So one hexadigit is sometimes referred to as a nibble. A device used to display one or more digital signals so that they can be compared to expected timing diagram for the signal is a logical analyzer. Logical analyzer is a device used to display one or digital signals so to be as timing diagrams. Okay, so logical analyzer is the right one. Then the American Standard Code for Information Interchange or ASCII uses how many individual pulses for a given character is nothing but 7. This is very important for ASCII code, 7 characters. Okay. The correct output is achieved from a master-slave flip-flop, master-slave JK flip-flop only if its input are stable while the clock is high. Clock is high, the inputs are stable. The term low speed and high speed apply to logic circuits referred to the propagation delay time. The term refers to low speed and high speed refers to the propagation delay time. A binary number's value changes most drastically when the dash is changed. LSB, duty cycle, frequency, MSB. So whenever MSB is the leftmost most significant bit, so it is whenever it is for a binary value of 1. This is 1, right? So this is the decimal equivalent is 0. It is LSB. It is MSB. So in case LSB changes, how the changes will be, it is increased by one value, one digit only, one number only. So whenever MSB of this will change 100, for that one change, MSB changed to 1, what will the equivalent? 8. Okay. So from 0 to 8. So from number 0 to 8, the binary numbers value changes most drastically whenever we change the MSB bit. Okay, MSB bit we will change that, the number value will be drastically changed, whether it is increasing or decreasing, but the value will be drastically changed, mostly changed. So MSB only. Then 20. The binary coded decimal BCD system can be used to represent each of the 10 decimal digits as 4-bit binary code. BCD. So each of the 10 decimal digits can be represented by 4-bit binary code in BCD. What is the difference between binary coding and binary coded decimal? So what is actually binary coding? Binary coding is nothing but, for example, if it is a 10 for a decimal number, how can we change this to binary value is base 2. So the method is base 2. So by dividing base to 0, then 2, this is the method now to change the decimal value 10 to base 2. Okay, 2, so 4, 2, 1, no remain, so 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 for equivalent binary number. Binary coding is for 10 is 1 0 1 0 base 2. Okay, 10, it is base 2. For decimal to binary we use the base 2 method. So what is the binary coded? This is binary coding. So what is the binary coded, otherwise known as BCD? In BCD system, how can we represent the 10? So 0 to 9, see, for binary coding and binary coded decimal BCD, the 0 to 9, the same value. Okay, the same thing will be the same, the value of a binary equivalent will be same. From 10 to the rest of the numbers it will differ or increase by 6 bits. Okay, 10, how can we represent the 10? 0 0 0, each digit represented by 4 bits. Okay, then for 1 0 0 0 1. So this is the difference between BCD and binary coding. So what is so this is the major difference. For binary number, just we need the base 2 value and then we'll find out this thing. Okay, for binary coded decimal, each digit is decimal digit represented by 4 equivalent bits in binary digit. Okay, so what is the difference between binary coding and binary coded decimal? Means binary coding only is pure binary. Binary coding only is pure binary. Okay, not BCD. An information signal that makes use of binary digits is considered to be information signal that use of binary digit considered to be digital signal. Okay, which of the following is the most widely used alphanumeric code for computer input and output? Most widely used alphanumeric code is nothing but ASCII. If an input is activated by a signal transition, it is edge triggered. TTL operates from a 5 volt supply. TTL operates from a 5 volt supply. So we have seen around 25 questions. So already we seen the time limit. For this 25 question we need to take only 15 minutes. The time allotted was only 15 minutes. Up to 15 minutes only we will have time. So we should be very thorough in this subject. Okay, we'll end this video up to this. We'll see in our next upcoming videos. If you haven't seen previously, we have posted many videos. If you haven't seen those videos still, kindly check with the playlist and also in iCodes and end screens. Okay, and kindly visit the channel, our channel off campus. Thanks for watching.